public relations is an essential marketing tool. And I would say it is the best tool to create trust and credibility, because you're getting that third party endorsement, you're getting that validation.
Is PR the same as marketing? What's your thoughts? Maybe 30 seconds.
Oh no. And PR is so misunderstood. That's such a great question, because a lot of people, they're like, oh, you're the spin doctors. Like, PR is about spinning stories. And it's so not. Public relations is an essential marketing tool. And I would say it is the best tool to create trust and credibility, because you're getting that third party endorsement, you're getting that validation. As a matter of fact, and I'll make this really short, but Bill Gates once said that if I was down to my last marketing dollar, I'd spend it on PR. Not that we have to worry that he's ever going to be back to his last marketing dollar, but it's still, I always say, if you're a new brand, start with public relations, get that media coverage. Now, media relations is just one aspect of public relations, because to build thought leadership, a lot of times what we do for our clients is not just getting them media coverage, but it's getting them out there speaking at industry conferences, right? Again, getting that subject matter expertise out, getting them closer to their target audiences, getting them to be the go-to person for XYZ. But under the public relations umbrella, there's also crisis management, there's investor relations. So again, a lot of people just automatically go to that PR is just media coverage. But again, I would say it's the most powerful tool in someone's marketing toolbox.
So then you're saying by default it's not marketing, but it's a part of marketing, right? It's a special part.
Yes, it's right. It's a part of marketing, as is. If you looked at it almost like an umbrella, one of the spokes would be public relations, one would be
social media,
advertising, social media, direct mail, and then there's also search engine marketing, search engine optimization. So all of these things, they cannot work in a silo. But also think about it. When you go on someone's website and you see as seen, or read someone's bio, and if you see as seen in the Wall Street Journal, New York Times, Forbes, you right away, perception is reality. And so you right away say, wow, he or she is credible. So that's the beauty of media coverage, is that, and you want to make sure that you leverage it, that if you've been interviewed by, let's say, the Wall Street Journal or Forbes, that you make sure that it lives on your website, it lives in, on your bio, that you're making sure to push these articles out through your social media channels. And again, it's like, I know myself, when I go on a website to purchase a product, let's say, and I see, like, as seen on Good Morning America, like, I'll be like, oh, let me check this out, because I know from behind the scenes, it is not easy to get on GMA.